So we're going to be stitching the ends of this bag together, but before we take it to the sewing machine, our important step that we have to do is we're going to have to be adding a couple of flaps, and we're going to be adding it around the string and stitching it to the edge of the bag. Anyway, hope that made sense. I'm just going to be taking it to the sewing machine and we'll be right back. And I also left a tiny hole that's going to help us flip the bag inside out. Our last two things that we're going to have to do: number one, take our sewing machine and stitch up that tiny hole, just top stitch the edge of the hole and then we're also going to be stitching at about a 1/2 inch around the entire circumference of the opening of the bag. The last thing we have to add is that metal thread stopper so that when we pull the bag, we can sort of cinch it closed and that it won't open. It did end up taking me, not gonna lie, like long to fit the metal closure